In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of a CD-ROM or DVD drive missing in Windows 11. Let's dive into resolving this common problem step by step, ensuring you'll have access to your drives once more. Before we begin, it's crucial to make sure you save all your work. Open documents, projects, or unsaved files must be saved to avoid accidental data loss during this process. When you're ready, head to the Start menu, click on Power, and then select Restart. Restarting your computer is sometimes enough to kickstart your system into recognizing any unresponsive or missing hardware. Once your computer restarts, check File Explorer to see if your DVD drive has reappeared. If it's still absent, don't worry. We have more steps to try. The next step involves scanning for hardware changes, a straightforward process that might just solve the problem. First, you'll need to open Device Manager. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and typing Device Manager in the search bar. Once it's open, take a look at the top menu and click on Action. From the drop-down, select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will now initiate a quick scan to detect any newly attached devices or hardware that hasn't been recognized yet. This process should only take a few moments, and it's a nifty way to ensure Windows recognizes all connected devices, including your DVD drive. If your drive is still not appearing, we should move on to the next method, which involves reinstalling the DVD/CD driver. Start by reopening Device Manager if it's not already open. This time, keep your eyes peeled for the section labeled DVD/CD-ROM drives. You'll want to click the arrow next to this to expand the list of drives. When you find your DVD drive on the list, right-click on it, and from the context menu that appears, select Uninstall Device. This step effectively removes the driver from your system, but don't worry. We'll be reinstalling it in just a moment. Now it's time to restart your computer again. Click on the Start menu, select Power, then click Restart. As your system boots back up, Windows 11 will recognize your DVD/CD drive as new hardware and automatically reinstall the appropriate driver for it. Allow the restart to complete and then check File Explorer to see if your drive is now visible. By following these instructions, you should be able to resolve the issue of your CD-ROM or DVD drive not appearing in Windows 11. If all goes well, your drive will be up and running again, ready for you to use as needed. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to refer back to this video anytime you encounter similar issues in the future.